Hi guys, so I'm doing the unboxing for the Mac Maker Maine Mendoza lip glass and lipstick. This was launched here in Canada 2 weeks ago, so it's the quarantine period. That's why it took them a while, I guess, to deliver it to my address. So this one is the Maine Mendoza lip gloss. I bought two of these, one for me and one for my daughter, and I chose this as my freebie because for a certain amount you will get to choose a freebie. And this one is the Mac Maker Maine Mendoza lipstick, and again I bought one for my daughter as well. Maybe now you know that I'm a Maine Mendoza fan. That's why I purchased this as soon as it was launched around 3 weeks ago.